Oliver here from the Hooks Camper YouTube channel, and over the next 2 days we're exploring the famous mountain town of Whistler. We're seeing incredible sights and trying delicious food. Welcome to Brandywine Falls. This is our first stop on the way to Whistler. We're going to take a short walk. Wow, look at this creek. Look at how clear it is down there. What a gorgeous waterfall. Apparently the name comes from two surveyors that were betting a bottle of brandy over the height of the waterfall, and hence the name Brandywine Falls. I'm super excited for this video because we're on our way to North America's most popular ski resort, Whistler. Well, welcome to Stonebridge Park, Whistler. We are going to begin the Sproat Mountain Trail, which is over 10 kilometers and takes 6 hours, but we're a bit strapped for time, so we're not going to do the whole thing. We've just started the trail and I spotted some bear poop. Looks semi-fresh. Not sure if it's been rained on to make it look fresher, but yeah. I mean, Whistler is bear central, black bear central, so got to keep an eye out. Lucky I got some bear spray. Beside the trail here is these huge rock formations. Well, I think this is the best view from this portion of the trail we're going to get. So we're going to head back into Whistler because our check-in time is pretty soon. Can't remember what these trees, the yellow light they put out is so nice. Oh, nice. Our own little balcony. Well, it's about an hour before sunset and I am starving. So we're gonna go pick up some food. We did a little bit of a budget option, but still delicious. We got some sushi here. So we've got 2 packs of the tamaki rolls and beef ramen and teriyaki tofu rice bowl. Some fried salmon. We got the BC rolls, which explains the fried salmon. Ready? We're gonna hang out here, let our food settle. I'm watching some people fish. It's pretty exciting stuff. Good morning, everybody. We're gonna have a coffee, pack up, and check out, and then we might go for a little hike. Well, what a nice little stay. It is time for us to clock out. So we're going to go down and check out of the hotel. We just checked out. Now it's time to pick up some breakfast. So it is there. Just like home. Look at this thing. Beaver tail. Oh yeah. I don't know how to eat this. Hey, get out of here. So full of pastry. Had a pie, had my first beaver tail. So good. Alright folks, here we are at a portion of the Sea to Sky Trail. And we're going to walk to the train wreck just beside the Chickamus River. Hope I'm saying that right. So we'll start here and then we'll continue on down the trail, and then there should be a suspension bridge over the river just before the main train wreck site. So we're just alongside the Chickamus River here, and I think we can walk up alongside it to the falls, which should be cool. You can see it through the trees there. What? Ooh, this is so cool. I didn't realize this would be here. So nice down there. We're gonna follow this trail alongside and hopefully find the falls just up ahead. Whoa, that's so cool. That's a big pile of logs over there. Wow. Oh, look, there's the falls. It's so mossy. Wow. It's so clear, you can see the rocks through the water. This is insane. Look at how clear it is. What an incredible waterfall. I think it's time we keep moving though. I'm excited to see this train wreck. So here is the history behind the train wreck. It was August 11th, 1956, and the train left from Lillooet, about 130 kilometers north of Whistler, where it was loaded with lumber, bound for Vancouver. And when it got to Whistler, it was behind schedule, so they tried to make up time by speeding, and they were doing about twice the speed limit, and they came off the rails on a sharp curve. So 12 boxcars derailed, and some were wedged into the narrow passage, blocking the track for days. Alright, here's the train wreck suspension bridge. Very cool. It's bouncy. Wow. Well, it's quite wobbly, but it's still pretty cool. Instead of going to Capilano's suspension bridge, you could save yourself $72 and drive up to Whistler and just walk on this one. This is crazy. Just a mangled mess. It's got lots of graffiti on it nowadays, but I think that's the train track up there. I wonder if that's where the old train track ran. I'm not sure if it's changed location, but that's a long way to travel for these cars coming off it. So there's this one we just looked at, and then at the entrance to the forest here is these two, which looked like they were still connected when they came off the track. This is crazy. It's very dark in here. T-shirt? Interesting. Alright, we're going to check out the rest of them. I think there's 6 or 7 here, so should be another 3 or 4 to see. Look at this one, it's all dented. Jeez. Well, that's 4. Let's see. Walking up the hill to this one. Oh, I think they've done some BMX videos here. And this used to be the ramp, I guess. It smells like paint. Cool. So we've seen 5 so far. We're going to keep going on this trail, see if we can find the 6th or 7th one. I'm not really sure which. Oh yeah, here's 2 more. And they got smushed. That's crazy. Look at this one, just completely flattened. Imagine the momentum to send these flying through the forest into where they are now. Wow. This is crazy. Oh, there's a gap in this one. Put the camera in there. Hello. Hello. Yeah, I'm surprised it's still in such good shape. I mean, 1956, almost 70 years. That's crazy. Well guys, this was a cool historic site. Now we're going to turn around and head back. Right, we're back at the river here. This is a great hike. If you're in Whistler and you want a non-challenging but still fun hike, it's got best of both worlds. You've got some history, nice river views. We unfortunately are headed out of Whistler, but on our way out we're going to stop at a lookout we couldn't access on the way in, and then we'll continue on to Vancouver. I love standstill traffic. Alright. Now we are headed on the incredibly scenic Cedar Sky Highway back to Vancouver. Well guys, we're finally back in Vancouver, and I hope you guys enjoyed this Whistler trip as much as we did. If you want to see more, don't forget to check out the Hooked Camper YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.